The portable gaming market is rapidly gaining momentum, and the spotlight is firmly on Asus once again. Following the unexpected success of the initial ROG Ally, a device praised for combining high performance with a sleek ergonomic design, Asus is gearing up to introduce its follow-up, the ROG Ally 2. Though official details are still limited, recent leaks, regulatory filings, and insider information have started revealing a clearer image of what gamers might anticipate from this upcoming powerhouse. A leap beyond incremental updates. This new iteration isn't merely a slight enhancement. Instead, Asus appears to be taking a bold step forward, improving both hardware specs and overall user experience. The company seems intent on solidifying its position as a frontrunner in the handheld gaming arena. A particularly exciting revelation is the rumored launch of two distinct models simultaneously. Industry insiders suggest these will include a classic white version, reminiscent of the original design, alongside a new black variant that hints at deeper integration with Microsoft's Xbox ecosystem. Divergent designs, distinct identities. White model, while echoing the original's aesthetics, incorporates subtle improvements. Ergonomically, it features redesigned grips intended to address previous complaints about slipperiness during extended sessions. The new contours aim to provide a more secure and comfortable hold, making it feel less like a tablet and more like a dedicated gaming controller. On the other hand, the black variant stands out with a darker finish and unmistakable Xbox branding. This includes the presence of the iconic ABXY buttons in their familiar color scheme and a small Xbox logo etched onto the chassis. These elements suggest a potential strategic partnership that could open doors for seamless Xbox integration, including native support for Game Pass, Xbox Cloud Gaming, and a user interface aligned with Microsoft's gaming ecosystem. Powering two gamers' worlds under the hood, the differences between the two models may extend far beyond appearance. The black Xbox-themed version is rumored to pack a powerful AMD Ryzen Z2 Extreme processor boasting 8 cores, paired with a generous 64GB of LPDDR5X RAM. This model is designed for high-end gaming and cloud streaming enthusiasts who demand maximum performance. Conversely, the white edition might come equipped with a more budget-conscious AMD Earth Plus chip. With fewer cores and a focus on efficiency, this variant would cater to casual gamers or those prioritizing affordability while still maintaining solid gaming capabilities. This dual approach suggests Asus is targeting a wide spectrum of gamers, from hardcore power users to more casual players seeking an accessible yet capable device. A display built for fluidity and precision. Despite the differing internals, both versions seem to share one standout feature: the display. Asus is reportedly retaining the original 7-inch screen size, but is upgrading the refresh rate to an ultra-smooth 120 Hz. This improvement promises enhanced fluidity for fast-paced genres like shooters and racing games, while also boosting touch responsiveness for more intuitive navigation. Keeping the screen size unchanged also means existing accessories from the original ROG Ally will remain compatible, a thoughtful nod to users who have already invested in peripherals ergonomics. Comfort takes center stage. One notable design decision appears to be an increase in the device's physical bulk compared to its predecessor. While this might initially seem like a step away from portability, the rationale behind the larger chassis is clear. Bigger, more ergonomic grips that reduce hand fatigue during marathon gaming sessions. Asus seems to understand that comfort is crucial for handheld gaming longevity. By prioritizing grip design and overall ergonomics, they aim to create a device that feels natural and secure in hand, even after hours of continuous play. Connectivity. Expanded options for power users. Connectivity is another arena where the ROG Ally 2 is expected to make strides. Rumors point to the inclusion of USB-C charging and data transfer, alongside potential upgrades to Bluetooth and Wi-Fi capabilities for faster, more stable wireless connections. Leaked schematics hint at additional ports, possibly including microSD card slots, headphone jacks, and even external GPU support via Asus's XG mobile interface. Such features would appeal to users who want to customize or future-proof their setups, adding a layer of versatility rarely seen in handheld consoles. Software: Windows 11 with enhanced controls. On the software front, the ROG Ally 2 is believed to run Windows 11, similar to its predecessor. However, Asus may debut an enhanced version of its Armoury Crate software, designed to streamline performance tuning and game management on a handheld device. This interface could provide gamers with quick access to game modes, system optimizations, and library organization, reducing the complexity typically associated with running a full desktop OS on a portable platform. If Asus succeeds in balancing PC flexibility with console simplicity, the ROG Ally 2 might truly offer the best of both worlds. A bold statement in portable gaming. Taken together, all these elements paint a picture of a device that is more than just a successor. It's a reimagining of what handheld gaming can be. By offering two distinct models tailored to different segments of the gaming community and integrating features that bridge the gap between PC and console ecosystems, Asus is positioning the ROG Ally 2 as a serious contender in a rapidly growing market. If these rumors hold true, this new handheld could very well be the most anticipated and versatile gaming device to hit the scene in recent years. A true console killer that appeals to casual players, hardcore enthusiasts, and Xbox fans alike. Exploring the impact and future potential. Competing in a crowded market, portable gaming has become an increasingly competitive space, with major players like Valve pushing boundaries with the Steam Deck and others exploring hybrid solutions. The ROG Ally 2's dual model strategy could be a clever way for Asus to capture a larger slice of this market, addressing the needs of different gamer profiles without alienating either group. The significance of Xbox integration. If the Black model's rumored Xbox features come to fruition, this could represent a significant milestone in portable gaming. The merging of Microsoft's vast game library and cloud infrastructure with a dedicated handheld form factor. This could open new avenues for Xbox Game Pass subscribers, allowing seamless access to their favorite titles on the go without relying solely on phones or tablets. Balancing power and portability while increasing the device's size to improve. Ergonomics may deter some purists. The trade-off is likely to be appreciated by serious gamers who value comfort during long sessions. Moreover, enhanced connectivity options like external GPU support hint at a modular future where this handheld could double as a portable powerhouse when docked or connected to peripherals. Windows 11. Friend or foe? Windows-based handhelds face unique challenges, particularly with respect to software optimization and battery life. Asus's effort to refine the Armoury Crate interface could be critical in making the ROG Ally 2 feel more like a dedicated gaming device rather than a clunky mini PC. Achieving a seamless, user-friendly experience would significantly broaden the device's appeal.